This is a direct message to ICC Prosecutor Karim Khan. Ito sa'yo diretso na mensahe. This talk about the warrant arrest order to Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Defense Ministers Yoav Gallant. Now, this is an impartial, unbiased, ratio decision. It is not certainly based upon the merit of what is true and reality. But this will appreciate during the time when you decide the aggressions that was being done by Russian President Vladimir Putin to attack Ukraine and their abduction or their transport taking thousands of children to Russian territory, and that was right. And the second is the ICC investigation about the drug war in the Philippines. 6,000 to 30,000 extra killing of vigilantes and riding in tandem during the time of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, as has been continuously investigated by this time of Congress under the Committee of Bienvenido Abante under co-congressman. Now, the arrests that have been decided to Israel prime ministers, this is we consider that Israel is a victim, and that's why Netanyahu and Yoav Gallant, Minister of Defense, you have been ordered arrested for that matter of self-defense. Because of that, they are standing the position that they were annihilated, and that's why they ensure that Hamas will be taken out from that place, because that was long planned ago, the underground tunnel, and even the civilians, they are making for shield, and also the collateral damage, they make this as they're also shield of propaganda to go against that they were the victim of Israel. But in fact, in reality, if you are seeing from the beginning of the video that was done in Black Sunday during the time of October, Shabbat, Saturday, Black Saturday of Israel, on the time that there been a terror attack that was happening. They were the victim and they were not the aggressor, and they are just only defending to themselves. That was clearly said by Benjamin Netanyahu. And Hamas is already determined to annihilate the Israel of the land. And Israel will also secure that this global terrorist does not penetrate, that even bring to other countries this terror that have been done. So I'm directly addressing this to ICC, Amir or Karim Khan, that consider the position of Israel, that they were not an aggressor, they were a victim, and that's why you're ordered an arrest for them. Did you not even see the deepness that Hamas, funded by another nation, and use the civil society as their shield, and even hospital, schools, and any other homes that they have and been tolerated and been funded by some other Islamist country. So reverse your order. Free Israel. They were the children of God, and they were the descendant of Abraham, and all Christians that have been believed that they were the people which they were a particular people, a chosen generation, are your priesthood, those who have been believing this belief to Israel. That's why we sided, not because we are adopted by faith to Abraham or to by Christ, but because they were doing what is right and follow as will that he in Netanyahu said that they were abiding and engaging the law of war. And they keep that humanitarian and they do not distract. It is the Hamas who initiate that war. And why that they are not an aggressor, but they are just only defending. So reverse your order, and I pleading it that if you are done or do right, review who is the initiator of aggression of attack, that terror, and consider their shelter and their uses of civilian and their tunnel and this long planned attack to Israel. Thank you, and this is from the Philippines.